What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning, actually afternoon. But I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys what happened this morning. I wanted to go over this whole market situation. Now we know the market is crashing crazy. It's look at this. There's blood on the streets. So a lot of the times people will see the market crashing and they want to stay away from the market. And everyone starts panicking and everyone starts, not looking for a different avenue. But let me be the one to tell you, there are still a lot of people making money with one strategy. This strategy that we trade every day, you really don't, I mean, you can really trade this strategy every single day. Even in a down market, you're still able to capitalize. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys what happened this morning with SLS. SLS was one of our picks this morning, and I was watching it, and it took a while. I mean, right before the market opened, it was pretty far away from go time. So, I actually started looking at another stock that I actually took a trade on, but I wanted to show you this one because the recording on this one's a little bit cleaner. So, again, even when the market is taking a dump, you're still able to find one or two stocks that can be profitable. Okay. So let me show you guys what happened. I'm just going to play the video. So basically, we identified SLS, and now I'm waiting for it to go over go time. Obviously, go time is 289. As soon as my entry is already set. My basically my entry is already waiting to get filled because I know where goal time is and I know I'm supposed to jump in once it breaks this line, right? So now check this out. Waiting for it to break. And boom, I'm in. As you can see, it still hasn't gone below my entry point, so I'm still hanging on to it. And now it's going higher. Still going higher. This thing just like took off and it's still moving up. Now this is where basically it's going into a halt, and typically when a stock is moving so fast, a halt is basically um, when the stock is moving too fast, they actually need to stop for about 5 minutes. They stop in 5 minute increments. Sometimes it's like 5 minutes, and then if it's not the 5 minute, then it goes to 10 minutes and then 15 minutes. But it's 5 minute increments. So basically, it got halted at 9:38:26. So now in 5 minutes, this is supposed to open back up. Let me fast forward this really quick so you guys can see. This is the other stock that I traded. But boom, it's about to open back up. So now I'm waiting and I'm banking that it's going to go up to the 350 area. That's where I'm going to be selling. So at that point, I'm waiting for it to open up. As you can see, 38:26 plus 5 minutes would be 43:26. Let's fast forward this a little bit. Okay, so now it's about to open. Boom. So now it's opening. I'm banking that it's going to go to 350. I'm selling right around the 350 mark. I'm waiting for it to hit that 350. It touched it, but I didn't get filled. So it went down a little bit, but again, I got in here, so I'm still holding it. I expect it to come down a little bit, and then I'm waiting for the next candle. I'm selling at 350. I'm banking that it's gonna hit that 350 mark. And boom, I'm selling, I'm selling, I'm selling, I'm selling. As you can see, it went above 350. It actually went as high as It's still moving up. As you can see, it's still going up, but I already got out at the 350 mark. It's still going up. It actually went as high as 370, but I am out, and this is basically how that day played out this morning. All right, so I hope you guys got some value out of this one. Even when the market is tanking and taking a dump, if you know how to identify these stocks, you're able to still make money. It's really that simple. If you know where to get in and you know where to get out and you know what to pick and what not to pick, you know, a good 70 to 80% of the times, you're more likely to win. And the other 30% of the times, whenever I take a loss, you know, I cut my losses very fast. That way, I don't take a big loss. I'll risk money to take a small loss any day. I just don't like taking big losses. So if it goes against me, I'm getting out pretty quick. But as you can see in this situation here, when everything lines up, if my buying criteria is lined up, basically I have a chance to make pretty nice size income. So just imagine, you know, you doing this every day. All right, so it's not that difficult. And as you guys know, I day trade and then I also do real estate. So right now, as you can see, it's 9:44:37 seconds. In 15 minutes, I'm basically done. Made myself a nice size profit. So now what I'm going to do is follow up with I actually have two sellers that I need to contact. They're selling their homes. I made them an offer and they told me that they were going to review it with their spouse or with their partners. So now I'm going to follow up with them to see if my offer is accepted. And if it's accepted, we go under contract. And then I take that same contract and I assign it to someone else. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm buying contracts here with the stock market and I'm selling them really fast for a profit. And then in the same way, I'm buying properties, putting them on the contract, and then I'm assigning that same contract to someone else in the real estate market for a quick profit. So as you can see, all I'm doing is I'm flipping contracts with the stocks and with real estate. So again, if you guys want to learn this, it's not very difficult. You just, you know, at first when you're looking at all this stuff, it may look confusing, and when you don't know what to do, it's definitely confusing. But if you have a solid strategy, it's pretty simple. It's not that difficult. I mean, I've been doing this for quite some time, and it's the same pattern every single day. I just pick one pattern with the stocks, and I pick one strategy with the real estate. Both of these industries, I pick one strategy, and I mastered both strategies in both fields. You know, so I put in an hour or less every day with the stocks, and then I move on to the real estate where I do deals as well. So again, don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. And also hit the notification bell too, because I've been getting a lot of people asking me about my videos, and so they're not getting them. If you hit the notification, that little bell thing, or it should be right down here somewhere, right below here. But if you click on it, you should get my videos right away whenever I post them. All right. So I hope you guys got some value out of this one. Again, man, this is something you guys need to learn how to do. These are the two things that they failed to teach us in school. It's stocks and real estate. They've refused to teach us these two things because obviously they don't want us to be financially free. So now this is where you come to learn. If you guys have any questions, just hit me up. All right. So I'll chat with you guys later.